Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For everyone that's new, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a hair review on the OMGQueen U-part wig in this curly hair. I was trying to show you guys the info on the hair, but that was super blurry. Here I'm going to quickly show you the straps, the combs, and everything of how the wig is built in the inside. There is this really cool strap in the inside that I'm showing right here that goes from one side of the head to the other side, and you can tighten it just like a bra strap to make sure that the wig is secure for all those baddies that do not want to sew this down to their head. So now, as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and take down my ponytail. Clearly I need this style to be straight. The hair needs to be down and hair needs to be plaited. So I went ahead and put these braids in. Oh my goodness, the most hideous braids I think I have ever put in my head. No lie, no lie. They are crazy looking. So now I'm just going to make sure that everything is everything as far as the parting. The part is not too long or not too wide. It fits perfect. And now it is time to cut these straps off. Putting the wig back on, I'm not going to lie. Oh my goodness, this took forever for me to really make sure the wig was fitting the way I wanted it to. But of course you didn't see all of that, and I cut a lot of that part of the video out. Now it is time to blend my hair with this curly hair. You already know this curly hair is way tighter than my curls, especially because I do straighten my hair, and I have straightened my hair a lot more frequently. But I'm going to use some water and Eco Style gel to get this hair looking the best way it possibly can. It was a real life transformation. I'm not even going to front. I'm not fronting at all. Y'all are going to see this hair seriously transformed from the way the original curl was looking. Even my hair transformed to it. Yeah, so I definitely had to do a lot of brushing, and now as we can see, there's a ton of gel, ton of water going into the works of getting this hair together. The curls of this hair, oh my goodness, so pretty. I wish my hair was as juicy as this U-part wig. I'm not going to front, like, dang, I might need to stop flat ironing my hair just so my curls maybe could get popping like this. I know I got a long way to go. So anywho, yeah, you see me just playing around with my hair, trying to get it to blend as good as possible with this U-part wig. I am not crazy about too much gel being on my hair and my hair being down. So that's why you probably see me like with these weird odd faces. But I'm just showing the curls off here of this U-part wig. Super curly, super juicy, super bouncy. Even with all this gel on it, all the water, I just love this wig so much. So here is both sides of my hair being done. Definitely did the other side off of camera just because it was a lot of the same repetitive steps as far as adding a bunch of gel and spraying the wig down and my hair as well. So showing the curls off again, super bouncy, super juicy. This is thebomb.com. You already know all the details are going to be down below. Any discount codes, all of that's in the description. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and show it off really quickly to y'all. You know I got to fix these baby hairs. Got to fix the baby hairs.
Active by night. Keep going crazy.
At this point, I'm just playing with the hair, trying to make my hair blend even more with this wig. I'm pretty sure everybody can see like my little stringly, straggly parts in the front. But in my opinion, I blended the heck out of this wig. I surprised myself. I love this wig. Yeah, this is definitely a keeper. Definitely a keeper. Thank you so much, OMGQueen, for sending me this wig, this hair. Your girl is in love. Your girl is in love. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about it. Comment down below. Subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notifications and smash the like button.
Active by night. Keep going crazy.